Hello. We are in her house. Her house. Okay. And this is our guest. Frasialine. Hi, Frasialine America Blanca. And this is our guest too.
Hi, I'm Francesca.
Hey. This house is so beautiful. Okay, we are not singing, acting, and testing. We are gonna tour in her house, front and backyard. Let's go. Let's start in her little garden. Oh, Mama Mary is missing. Okay, now we are in here.
Next, sa backyard.
Let's go backyard. Raylin sisters and baby sister and my bro.
Kita ba di baby?
This is her backyard. Raylin's cleaning her house, washing her clothes. Backyard. I think, okay, it's done. Now, wala. Hintayin mo, Nicole. Okay.
Hello.
We will introduce this street and her address. We are in Fraylin's house, Buraguis, Legazpi City, right?
Bagwis. Hello. Tayo sa baka.
Okay.
Papalakoyin kita
This
dito.
is Fraylin's sister.
Oh.
Fraylin's sister. And Fraylin. Okay, thanks. Subscribe, like, bye.